friends, welcome to my latest video. We're doing slime today. I have a lot of guests with me. I have Christian, who also has a YouTube. Go check it out, Realist Catwoman. Pretty great stories going on over there. We've got Alasia, one of my bestest friends, and Reagan, who you know already from my mukbang. I worked with her, and now we're just like chilling on YouTube together. So
I don't have a YouTube channel.
So, like I said, we're making slime today, and I've never done this before, but it was brought to me by Reagan. She said that a lot of people are doing it now, so I guess it's really popular, and I was just really curious on how to make it. So I looked up different ways to make slime, and there's like, I mean, there's a lot more ways, but we chose 4 of them.
I'm going to be making some glitter slime.
You have your like huge thing of glitter here.
Yep.
I am making the little fluffy slime that I can just, it's gonna be
It's
fun.
like puffy.
Yeah.
I'm making glow-in-the-dark slime.
As you can see, she's got a lot
She's
of
having a party over there.
I'm making foam. Like it has these plastic beads or the styrofoam beads in it.
We each have our own separate recipes, so we're gonna go ahead and follow our own recipes, and then we'll give you guys a little up-close look whenever we're done, and you'll see a little bit of the process as we go along. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need like 2 other separate things.
Yeah.
Yeah, like things. Our help.
Christian.
Grab me like 2 more. He is. I'm mad. Is this half a cup? Is this half a
The line is half a cup. The line right here is half a cup.
Don't yell at me.
And then how much of the borax do we need? Or like, this is about to get fun.
ASMR. And then a cup.
I just dropped the red in here.
Oh no! All you math majors in the comments can help us out.
What comments? Nobody comments on this
Oh
stuff.
dang! She's throwing some shade at you guys.
Y'all, every single person that views this comment like something. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter, just comment.
Period.
Something.
No.
Period.
Period. Comments.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mitzi.
Mine isn't even anywhere close to looking like that.
It's all.
That's slime.
It's like. I know it feels like that. Okay, someone pass you the red like Perillo.
I need to go wash this off.
Oh, this is gross.
Wait, okay, so this is my slime.
That looks like a heart.
Liver. That is a liver.
That is a liver.
This.
I don't know what color it is. I'm just gonna do blue. But the feeling is not coming out correctly.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Try eating it.
It's what I have to do. This is a cup and a thing.
I'm mad. I don't want to do this anymore. This is stupid. This was my slime.
She's trying her
I'm
best.
so sorry. It didn't
She's
work
trying.
out.
I feel like you're having fun over there.
I am.
Playing with her.
I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. Let me move this some other way.
Should I just add this whole thing to?
I'm
Can you
mad.
wait? Can you please wait? Set it down.
This is amazing.
Oh, that is hardy. But listen to it.
That sounds pretty cool.
The time. But you gotta keep your head up. Oh.
High School Musical. Who? Oh, that's hard.
Who wants to show and tell first?
I will, because I need to put this away immediately.
Okay.
It decided to have droppings everywhere. This is my foam. It has little styrofoam beads in it. It sounds really wet and mushy.
I hope y'all can hear that.
You pull it apart and it's like super tacky. See, I already left their styrofoam all over. Look. So though. I didn't
Wow.
do it right. No, wait, listen.
Here's mine. Mine is basically like regular slime, but it's glitter slime, so yeah, glitter to the recipe. I tried going for a purple color, which I mixed red and blue together. It turned to be this nasty, ugly color before, and then this came out. You can't really see it. If you can see the glitter, it's kind of hard to see with like the lighting, and like the glitter doesn't really pop out.
Yeah.
Guys, what it sounds like.
Squish your fingers in it.
Ew. Alicia, you want to tell them about your experience?
I tried to do the glow in the dark slime. I kind of followed the same instructions that Christian had, but I definitely did not get the same results. The recipe originally calls for like glow in the dark glue or paint, and I thought I would, cheat the system and go with glow sticks. Don't do that. Just go with the recipe. So instead, I went and made another type for dusties, and so I'm happy with it.
I went for the fluffy, that's really all it is. It's fluffy slime. I've seen videos of this, or people will just fold this over and on Snapchat and everything, the oddly satisfying thing, and they'll just go over and over again. It's really cool. It was really sticky at first, and I think it's because I was trying to double the recipe, but there were some ingredients that I didn't double, and then it was super sticky, but I added more shaving cream, and this was fun. For me,
We
at least.
literally have all been playing with the slime.
We're literally non-stop.
It was an
It feels
experience.
so good.
It was an experience.
It's stress relieving.
It is. I don't really want to stop playing with this, so I'm just going to do my little outro while I'm doing this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I put out videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Midweek motivations and regular stupid videos like this one. Go over to Realist Catwoman and subscribe to his channel. He says some really funny stories and he's got some really good videos coming up.
Oh yeah.
Me.
And by the way, like I said earlier, this is I will be posting behind the scenes of before, what we went to go buy and the little behind the scenes of what happened in the kitchen.
Yeah. So by the time that this is out, that video will be out on his channel, so go check that out and see how our adventures went at Walmart and when we got home. If you want to leave any comments below, which maybe you will, maybe you won't. Maybe you'll comment
comments.
Maybe you'll comment a period.
Yeah.
And if you want to remain anonymous about any comments that you might want to leave, you can email me at Iamenoughforthisworld@gmail.com. That's really all I have for you guys. I'm gonna go play with more slime. Bye, friends.
Bye.
So, there was another slime that we did that I completely forgot about. Edible slime. I didn't know how I feel about this. I wanted to make it just to see if it actually was gonna turn out as slime because it came. You have to put a bunch of things that are edible together, like condensed milk and stuff that are not normally in slime. But I may not have followed the recipe quite the way it's supposed to have gone, but it kind of just looks like this.
Yeah, she's gooey.
It's like a paste. This isn't slime, but I still want to see how this turned out taste-wise. So we did 4 different flavors. We did a strawberry, we did a banana, cake batter, and vanilla.
Oh.
Let's do the cake batter one first.
It's cold.
Ooh.
It tastes like cake.
It literally tastes like cake batter.
It does. It's just really thick.
Strawberry.
Okay, one of those tricks. Okay. I thought it tasted like strawberry, but tastes very artificial. Fake.
This is so weird that this is actually
Yeah.
these actually taste normal.
Oh my god,
Banana
I need another
one?
spoon.
Let's do banana.
Oh my god, that tastes exactly like banana candy.
No way.
Like banana
Yes.
Laffy Tappies, like I was talking about earlier.
Last but not least, just regular vanilla.
I can taste it. Just vanilla.
Regular vanilla.
Bye!
Bye!
Again.